Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Yes, bit of time on sorting out my screen again. Great, but anyway, okay. So I have an open Sicilian. Look at this. Try and catch up on the clock a bit. Looks like a reasonably exciting position. I'll do this, try and play on the queen side, I think. I'll get onto the light squares. C4 and stuff. Try for light square play. Rook C1, maybe C5. Or C5 immediately here, that's good. Takes D6 and C4. Is that really the case? C4, D takes. Probably. Okay, so Rook C1 maybe better. Okay. Maybe A4, A5 if he takes C5. Well, he's pretty much in lockdown, isn't he? So okay, I'll let him. I wonder if I can make this knight better than that bishop. I'll play for F4 here. The F file could be another interesting thing. Maybe F5. I'm potentially giving up the E5 square. He's got some weaknesses here though, around the shop. Bishop D4. Okay, it seems a fairly pleasant position. Knight 3 takes Queen E6. So can I actually do this? I'm getting in serious trouble here. Also Queen E3 is on B6, that's something to bear in mind. Okay, what's Migo being up to, by the way? That's 5 minute 2-2 5-2. Okay, takes. Can I take on B6? Oh, there's a rook. Knight C4. Take on E5. He's going to get massive pawns. Alright, let's try for some sort of pass pawn in an endgame. That's what I'm reduced to here. I don't think I'm. Okay, he's giving me D6. Bit of fun here. Bit of fun coming my way for D7. And maybe or C5 or H4. Rook D5, E4, Knight D4. Yes. Knight D4. Knight D4. B4 and C5. Is that too ambitious? I'm not going to get in too much trouble. I need to try and support D6 potentially. It's not as crazy as all that. If I get the C4 square for the queen, that's not too bad. Yeah, it's not so easy. H3, does he play G4? I mean H4. Try and break up his pawns here. Can I get to play, if I get the queens off, then can I play for c5 more easily? I wonder. This looks okay anyway. Why do I want things? Aha. Okay. I think I want my king on a2 so I can play c5 without getting murdered. He's got e3. This could be dangerous. It's c5 plausible. I'll try and open up his king. Is he really going to allow his king to be broken up a bit? There's g5 here. I know he's got two connected passed pawns, so you could say this is
check.
Double-edged. c5 and then rook f. So I've got rook f5 on the cards. Rook f5, there's no queen f7.
Check.
c4's a take. I wonder, does that seal the deal? Just about. No. Okay. Is there rook f6? Okay, knight takes, queen takes, knight takes my thing. G6. I think that's still. Alright, I think this is. I'm hoping this is still dangerous. Otherwise, I'm dead. G6. I'm hoping this is dangerous for this diagonal. Otherwise, I'm dead. I've taken away f7. 41 seconds. Okay, knight c5 threatened. Knight takes d4 check. That surely is crushing.
Check. Check. Check.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, blimey. That was a bit intense there at the end. Okay. Apparently I was okay here. d6, yes, I thought d6. e4, okay, d7, if it does that. Blimey. Again, immediate c5. No. I think I was getting to be okay here. c5 again mentioned. Aha, this one. Is this dangerous? Takes? Oh, there's 96. Alright, yeah, okay. I'll play that eventually. But first g4. Let's try that. Alright, c5 strong here. I'll play this.
Check.
Now c5 finally. It looks fantastic to play c5 here. Rook f5 good. Alright, hold on. Why is this mate in 8?
Check.
Out of interest. Oh, check. Alright, now what? Now, did I mess it up? No, I'm still okay after g6. Thankfully. Okay,
check.
I'm okay here. Yeah. Alright. Okay, maybe it was okay. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.